Welcome to another gear review on Minuteman Mountain. Once again, we're coming to you from the War Room, and we are going to review the AR600 steel plates. My last set of plates I bought were from Armored Republic. They were a set of AR500 ceramic plates. After some time to compare these ceramic plates to the other steel plates that are out there, there's not much difference in the stopping power. The main difference is in the weight and how many hits it can take. The ceramic plates can only take a few shots before they start falling apart, as you can see in the upper left-hand corner. My new plates have been ordered through Tacticon Armament. I'll let him take it from here.
All right, you steel body armor haters. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna dump a bunch of 5.56 green tip into this here plate inside of the plate carrier, and we're gonna see how many rounds it takes out of an Avetsky with a 18-inch barrel. Shoo, honey chow. All right, no penetration, fragmentation coat, fully intact. There's no penetration on the outside of this plate carrier. I did 6 rounds before, this time I'm gonna do 3. No penetration of any frag coming outside of the plate carrier, 100% encapsulated. All right, ready? 9 rounds so far, 5.56 green tip. So as much as I'd love to stay here and do this all day, I'm just gonna put 10 more rounds in here so we can finally come to a conclusion. We finally did it. We blew out the side of the plate carrier with another 10 rounds. Now we've got 33 rounds total, and we've popped our hole right here. Okay, so 33 rounds, no penetration. You can see it. This is where we saw it come through on the plate carrier. Frag coating started to separate. I will say this, I am not some tactical training guru, but if you've taken 33 rounds to the chest, you should probably get the fuck out of the way if you're still alive.
The new side plates I got were 6 inches by 8 inches, making them kind of tall and uncomfortable. I found out later there is a flap on the inside of this pocket that will allow you to flip up the Velcro to be able to make it close. I ended up ordering a smaller pair 6x6 because it felt more comfortable when wearing it. Wildling the cat has decided to join me on the opening of this package. Wildling? You want to see what this is, Wildling? What is it? It's the armored plates, Wildling. It's the right size ones. The 6x6 pads. The 600 AR side plates. Alright. What do you think? You like them? You like them? Really good? You ready to review these plates? Let's review these plates. As I said in the beginning, the main difference between ceramic plates and steel plates is the overall weight. On the left, you can see the Armored Republic chest and back ceramic plates. These have an armor level rating of 4. On the right, you can see a full set of Tacticon level 3 plus steel armor with trauma pads. This includes the chest, the back, and 2 side plates. As you can see, these new AR600 steel plates are extremely light. They also argumentatively have more stopping power, being able to take more rounds and stop higher caliber bullets. Over to you, Tacticon Armament.
Levels in 60 seconds or less. Pistol rated armor, level 3A. Comes in hard plates and soft plates. 44 Magnum and all the rounds underneath it. 9mm, 45, you name it. Level 3, 308. 55 grain FMJ from an AR-15, 7.62x39 out of an AK-47, and all the subsequent pistol rounds. SRT, special rifle thread. This typically covers your green tip with a ceramic strike face out of a AR-15, AK-47, 7.62x39. Won't stop a 308, but will stop all the subsequent pistol rounds as well. Level 3 plus. This is where your steel comes in. This is where your ceramic strike face and polyethylene backer comes in. This is a 308. 7.62x39 out of an AK, 5.56 green tips, and all the subsequent pistol rounds as well. Level 4, El Cuatro. This will stop 30-06 AP, and everything else I just mentioned.
As you can see here, the AR600 level 3 plus steel plates have gained more stopping power than the AR500s, giving him the same stopping power as my AR500 level 4 ceramic plates. And with the AR600 steel plates weighing lighter than the AR500 steel plates, for me, this is a no-brainer. I was so happy with my Tacticon armor and price that I ordered another cool nifty device that I think every one of you should order.
Would you rather be like this Ugh. Oh, God. Or would you rather be like this? If you're wondering if it fits your plate carrier, well, laser cut molly. Skeletonized cummerbund. Full, beefy, regular molly, side plate capable cummerbund. I mean, the choice seems clear to me. It's 20 bucks for the fastest on-off action you've ever had.
Alright, let's show you how easy it is to put these things on. This item has 3 parts. The molly style half, that's the molly pieces right there. Then you have this strap with 2 pieces of Velcro on the end. I'll show you what to do with that in a second. And then the last piece is the Velcro clip end. So what you want to do is open up the front of your cummerbund, place the Velcro piece, and just make sure that it's right to the edge. Just like that. Then, to get the other piece to attach, you have to fold your cummerbund end in. But first, put this strip on there so you can Velcro it tight. There, now fold the end in and Velcro it together. Make sure you leave enough webbing so you can add your molly gear clip end. As you can see, the Velcro holds the strip back. Adjust it until it gets to the place and comfort that you like. Then the last part is to add this clip. Just make sure that the little pull string is to the outside, not to the inside. Now simply stick it over your head and clip it. And when it's time to take it off, find the little string and pull down. Easy peasy. Let me show you why I only need one of these cummerbund clips for mine. So when I pull the one down there, the shoulder has its own clip, and I set it down like a bag. Ta-da! I love it. Thanks again for joining us here on Minuteman Mountain. You've been watching another gear review coming to you from the War Room. Help us reach our 1,000 subscriber goal and subscribe and share our videos with your friends. See you next time.
America's birthday is coming up, but how do we get our freedom? Well, brave men and firearms. And like our forefathers before us, we believe that every American should be able to exercise their Second Amendment rights. So that's why we are giving you 50% off everything at Tacticon.com. Are the British still coming? Probably not, but you are all over my website. So come get a full load for half off. Now stay strapped or sip tea. Happy birthday, America.